ladies and gentlemen, what a superb production number coming from our 20th Still Handsome Carlos by Border Idol, Mr. International Philippines, Carla 2024. Thank you so much, candidates. You now
just be themselves and enjoy the competition. Kailangan nila maging competitive because ang dadalhin nila, hindi lang yung proud nila pag nanalo sila. Dadalhin na nila tong sash ng Carla. So kailangan ibigay nila yung buong puso nila sa competition na to. I know this is the first edition and kumbaga experimental lahat. Pero syempre may prototype tayo hinahanap ng distinctively handsome. So dapat nilang patunayan sa atin at sa tao na dapat sila manalo ng first ever title ng Mr. International Philippine Starluck. So, yun lang. Good luck, guys, and do your best.
thank you so much to our president.
Ngayon sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito sa sashing ceremony ng Mr. International Philippines Starluck.
So what is your message to our aspiring candidates who will soon next also to represent the province of Tarlac at the national stage?
Ang masasabi ko lang sa mga candidate ng Mr. International Philippines Starluck is dapat dala-dala nila these are the 3 Ds: determination, dedication, and discipline. Naniniwala ako na kapag dala nila to, kahit saan sila magpunta, madadala nila yung sarili.
Thank you so much, Lily. How about to our Vice President? What is your message to our 20 candidates?
Ayun, ibigay niyo yung puso ninyo sa competition na to kasi ito yung magiging door ninyo para sa another opportunity. Good luck, guys! And again, alam ko kayang-kaya niyo to.
And also to